one of the MPs from Northern Uganda has taken to demonstrate barefooted, walked barefooted to show his anger on the closure of the Karuma bridge, and the consequent charges being raised against the people. People are being made to pay in order to move through the park. This MP joined Gilbert Lango, who was staged since morning to fulfill his promise that he would be there on Monday to make sure that Northern Uganda have free passage through the park to go and access the other side of the country. Now, this delay, all these predicaments are biting the people, as I said earlier on, and these MPs are trying to show the anger of the people by demonstrating, but there's a very high chances that their actions may not be taken into consideration with signs that authorities are showing resistance towards their demand.
Before this road is finished, the road is being affected by the trucks of the contractor. If you look at the humps already are bent down because the quality of the roads is poor. We must be able to expose these things. Who are the people who designed this road? The quality and the carriage of this road is poorly designed, using a loan which Ugandans are going to pay. So we must also find out, what is the fear? What is this too much fear of who about? Is this road done according to specifications? We must find out. This is something the country must take interest in.
Well, we have got information that Lao Parliamentary Group, Lango Regional Parliamentary Group, have issued 7 ultimatum, 7 demands in line with the closure of Karuma Bridge, and the details is going to come out so soon, immediately.